Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sandeep from Gurmukhi Calligraphy. Today I got brand new Art Gel twin tip pens. These are water based pens and I got them for 130 only. The price mentioned here is 150. As these are twin tips, so the both sides have a super soft and a nylon nib tip. I will show you how these twin tips are better than Camlin or other expensive brush pens like Koiskura, Tombow or other brands at the end of this video. It is quite easy to get thin and thick strokes with nylon nib, which is the thickest one, and the super soft tip gives you thickest strokes than the nylon tip. You can use gray and black to add depth and shadow to the letter. These are water-based things, so you can create beautiful and translucent watercolor effect with the ease of a pen. Blend these two colors with the help of a paintbrush. Watch the full video to check the shades available in this set. Here I am going to show you how these are different from Camlin brush pens. These brush pens can be used for Devanagari or Gurmukhi calligraphy. So I will definitely recommend this for beginners. You don't have to spend so much on expensive pens. It works pretty well. Hope you have liked this video.